Okay, this is a Simjet X 125. Been having a bit of problem trying to get this thing started. Eventually found what it is. You wouldn't even believe what it was. Well, you can turn it. You can turn it on. Ignition comes on. Do it again. You can hear the fuel pump prime. You can hear it come on there. And it stops. Try to start it. Won't start. Body works off. Going through all the wiring and stuff. What you need to do is just take a look at this thing here. This switch is in the where the helmet goes, and this plastic bit here. And if it's on lock, as you can see, this thing won't start. Some kind of safety device or something, or feature, so you can't start the vehicle. So you flick it over to unlock. And it starts up. What's that all about? Why do you need to put that in there? Just turn it off, press that button, and it's off. Thanks a lot.